Hi everyone, I'm Dami Manuel, CEO of Buuka app. I want to say a big thank you for joining in on the Buuka app vendor community. And in a few minutes, I'm going to jump right into my computer and try to iron things out and explain what exactly Buuka app is and how you can use it as a vendor to your advantage. So thank you once again for trusting us and joining in on this community. We can't wait to get started with you.
So this is the Buuka getting started video, as I've said before. So what we want to do in the next 2 minutes, we want to quickly go over what exactly Buuka is and go over most likely questions you would have about the platform. So what is Buuka? So just as our tagline states, the universe of services, Buuka is a service provision platform for users. So what we do is that we bring all services in one place for users seeking to find it. So we discover that a lot of times users are in search of several services and they are not able to get them. So even if they are able to source them from people, it is not at the best convenience, and it is impossible for a particular person to be able to see all these services separately. So what we are doing is that we are inviting all vendors, just as yourself, to be on a platform whereby users can easily come in and patronize your services without having to search maybe Instagram left and right, or search whatever platform it is. That's why we say, as Jumia is to product, Buuka is to services. So all products are in one place for Jumia, as an example, and all services are in one place for Buuka. So that's what it is. And who is Buuka for? So as a vendor, anyone who offers at least a form of service. So Buuka doesn't allow people who offers or sells products, but people who offer services. So what is our model? So as I just stated, all services in one place. That means allowing users the ease of finding your business. So our model is to make sure that people can come on the platform and find whatever service they are looking for. Now I use an example here that Mrs. A is looking for an hairstylist. So Mrs. A needs to make her hair, and the pressing concern on her mind at that particular moment is a hairstylist. And even though that is what Mrs. A is looking for, Mrs. A also has a faulty kitchen pipe, and she also has a rat infestation in her home. So Mrs. A has all these problems, but at the end of the day, what she's looking for exactly at that particular time is somebody to make her hair. So Mrs. A will come on Buuka app to look for an hairstylist, and at the end of the day, because of the way our platform is built, it will suggest other service provision that Mrs. A might need. So she will end up finding a plumber and a pest control agent that she needs without having to look around for it. So it's a more effective platform whereby people who are coming even for other services can find your services and discover that they need your service and patronize you. So Mrs. A can come to Buuka app looking for a hairstylist and see a service for a plumber also, and also book that, and see a service for a pest control agent also Buuka, because she has that need. So that is what Buuka advantage is. So next, our vendor community. So that is what we are on right now, and we are keen on building a solid relationship. The sole aim of the vendor community is to allow the easiest interaction and communications between Buuka and Buuka vendors. So what we mean is that the community just gives us the ease of reaching out to you. We don't want it to be a platform whereby you're all alone on Buuka and you are trying to figure it out. No, we want a more solid relationship between us and our vendor, and we want to keep an eye. We want to be able to understand your needs per time, and we want to be able to offer sweet solutions. So we want to be able to know, okay, what you're facing on the platform and how and also to be able to help you improve your services and improve whatever it is to make sure that you are doing well on the platform. So we have created a vendor community for this sole purpose. And also you need to know that it is important to follow all group rules, especially the no spamming rule. And we have removed some posts recently because people were posting their businesses on the community. The community is not for the promotion of your business. The community is just for you, everything related to Buuka and offering a service on Buuka. So as far as you're a vendor on Buuka, you have access to the community, so you have access to us. So it's not for posting random things. Now, what to expect? As I said, earlier, the vendor community is not the Buuka platform. It is not where you post your service. The vendor community is only a community, a place where we can get together as vendors and admin to share ideas and understand your needs and answer your questions. So the Buuka platform launching soon comprises of the fully functional web and mobile apps. So the Buuka platform, as I said, consists or comprises of the fully functional web and mobile apps. That means soon we're going to be launching our web and mobile app that allows you to list your products. So you are not listing your products on the vendor community. You are listing your products. You're going to be listing your product on the Buuka platforms, which is on the web, or you download our mobile app and list your services on the mobile app. So not products, your services, sorry, on the mobile or web app. So that is what platform you will be using. The vendor community is only to get vendors together in one place. Now, a waiting list form link will be shared. I think this has been shared recently, but we're going to share it also again. And if you're new to the group, just check the recent message and you will see a waiting Google form link that will be shared. You are expected, it's a waiting list, that means before our platform is out, you're expected to fill in this online form for us to know about your service based business in preparation for our web and mobile app. So what this is that you're expected to fill in your details. Let us know the category of what service you offer or services you want to offer, and we would be able to prepare for that as we're launching our web and mobile app version. Yes, you can, if you have the question of whether you can register as an individual or yes, if you're a business, you can register as a business. And if you're an individual offering the service on your own, you can register as an individual service provider or a business service provider. And if you are a business that offer multiple services, yes, Buuka as we've created a platform to allow you to offer more than one service. So that also can be a question you have in mind. So what do you gain? What do you gain from being on the vendor community, from joining Buuka? First of all, you gain business exposure. So as I said in the first example I gave about Mrs. A, on a normal day, if Mrs. A was looking for an hairstylist on Instagram or on Facebook, she would not come across your business. Or Mrs. A was looking for something else, she would not come across other services she would need. So the business exposure, the way the model is built, allows your service to come up for people who would need you at that particular time. So because of our model, more and more users who are in need of your service in your location will be able to find your business, and that will lead to what you gain number 2, which is more money. Yes, we are very keen on making you richer. We want to be able to boast that our vendors are doing a lot and more better using our platform, and we want to be able to say that. So we want you to be richer, we want you to have more clients, we want you to have more money. So that is one of our goals and one of our aspiration as Buuka app. So the third thing you'll gain is better business management. So due to the functionalities on our vendor dashboard, you will be able to manage all your books. Sorry, this is supposed to be bookings, not books. All your bookings, your messages, your reviews, and accounts in one place. So we are not just creating a place where you can just paste your services. We are creating a background dashboard that allows you to see how your business is doing on our platform. So you can see how many people are booking your service, how many people are seeing your service, how many people are dropping a review, how many people are messaging you and asking for your service. So you don't need to have this thing clustered maybe in your social media or on WhatsApp where you do your personal things. You have a business dashboard on our platform whereby you can view everything regarding your service providing business, and you can manage it from one place. So you gain that also with us. So the next thing is what to do. So as we are here now, what do you do? First, you need to be patient till our web and mobile platforms are launched. That means that as you join the community, stay on the community, don't go anywhere. You need to be patient with us till our web and mobile platforms are launched, because we are almost ready. And trust me, this is one of the best platforms you will be on, and we are getting ready to give you the best. So you just need to be patient with us, and till our web and mobile platforms, that is our web version and our mobile app, will launch this December/January. The reason why we put the slash is because we're making sure we test everything well for you to be able to use. Then the second thing you want to do for us is to stay up to date with group messages. This is very important. So as you're scrolling through your feed, you want to also be on the lookout for any group message that we're dropping, because this is where we would post updates on our web version, mobile version being launched, update on things you might need to know, more videos coming up on how to use the platform, how to get more booking, how to post your services, and everything will still come up. So you do not want to miss that. Then the last thing you want to do for us is to share this group with your friends and family who also offer services, or people who are also service providing vendors. So you want to talk about Buuka. We would love that you talk about Buuka. We would love that you share Buuka, and we are excited. We are so excited about what we are doing, and we're so excited for having you here, and we wish to do even more and more better business. Thank you so much for taking the time to go through this presentation. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments. There are moderators who would give you adequate reply. Do have a nice day.